Yo, what's going on, guys? Dude, this this is looking spicy, looking really juicy. Ethereum looking really healthy. Meanwhile, Bitcoin looking decent, right? We can't break through this 40k level. We've been testing off of this 40k level. We've been failing at this 40k level. Um and we're gonna continue to test off of this 40k level. Um, but we're seeing it play more so in the lines of the Wyckoff distribution. We did see this dip below this 20-day, seeing some slight recovery on this 4 hour. Expecting another dip down. But the RSI is indicating that it's looking like it's gonna be shooting up just a little bit more. Gonna test back on this 40k, and then another shoot down from here is what we're looking at because we can't break through this 40k. But look at Ethereum, guys. Look at Ethereum. It's above this 20-day, right? It's above all of these EMAs on the 4 hour. On the daily, however, on the daily, we're trying to climb our way back up, right, to this 26 level, having heavy resistance at this 24 level, which is why we are struggling to get through from this point, right? But if we can close this weekly candle above this 24, right? We're looking like we're trending towards that level, right? Indicated here on this RSI. It's looking like it's going to be, springing back up. And when that springs back up, that means that we should be seeing this next closing candle on this weekly to be, somewhere above this 2500 level. If we can break through that, Ethereum is going to really just start breaking boundaries and just shoot, moon up from there. We're inching closer and closer, guys. We are inching closer and closer. And I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you guys what to do, but it's looking really good for us. Like I said, in the next couple weeks, sometime early to mid August, we should start to see um, ourselves start to clear these levels. If we don't start to clear these levels within the next, you know, by Monday or the Monday following, um, you know, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but I would start setting some stop losses, um, possibly because there might be this another drop down to this next support level right here, being in the 1900s, 1800s, um, and we'll see if we get there, but hopefully we see this shoot up to the top. Um, like I said, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it just continuously is just retesting this 40k, retesting this 40k. If we can break through this 40k and get into this 44, 42 to 44 channel, um, we'll be doing really well. But we aren't quite there yet with Bitcoin, right? If we can cross into this 40 to 42k channel and break through, right? But we are showing some bear, a red candle here. Just turned green right there. But the day is not over, and so we'll see what happens on this daily. If we can break through and get to these, this 42, 44 channel and break through, we'll see what happens. We're seeing this RSI start to become more horizontal, and so this this has, a couple of different directions that it can take. It can either start to, dip down below. In that case, I would probably set some stop losses for this 34 to 36 level, um, and maybe capture some capital. If you don't have, um, you know, anything that you bought in, on these lower levels over here, right? If you bought in somewhere in these lower levels, then it might be worthwhile to go ahead and try to take some profits, and then try to, buy back in at, once we start to see confirmation. But that's the most important thing, guys, is wait for confirmation and make sure that things are confirmed, whether it's going to start dipping down or whether it's going to start going up. Right now, we're in this this very rough, tough area of this 40K resistance, and we can't break through. And Ethereum is looking a lot closer, a lot better, right? We've been showing just all bullishness, in the past, week and a half or so. We haven't, we haven't seen any red candles, no bearish candles, and so definitely Ethereum is looking a lot more bullish as it stands right now. Looking at this weekly, we haven't seen, bullish candle, in the month prior, and we've only been seeing bullish candles the past couple weeks. Retesting on this 20 EMA, right? If we retest on this 20 EMA and we start to break through, right, we're inching closer. 2400 is the level here. If we can break through that and climb up to this 2600 level, to clear the 100 EMA on the daily, right? That's when we're going to start seeing, Ethereum just start to moon. And so this is why, Ethereum is looking like it's priming itself to override Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's just looking like it's having a lot of trouble. Meanwhile, Ethereum is looking really, really solid. Let's go into the 4 hour. So yeah, even on the 4 hour, Ethereum has been, riding along this 20 EMA, and we've been testing on it, but we're starting to, clear over it slightly, and that's why we have to take a look at what's happening in the macro, right? In the macro, we still have some work to do, right? We still have some work to do, and so hopefully in the next couple weeks we will see this, potentially by next week, by next Monday. It's gonna be a fun ride, guys. I hope you guys get some good positions in, and you guys find some other coins that you guys potentially might even, surpass Ethereum. A lot of the NFTs are, popping off right now. I've been seeing a lot of people talk about some Solana based NFTs. I'm personally looking at Alchemix right now. Alchemix is one of my favorite coins right now. And then RGT, Rari Governance Token. I think those are definitely in good position. And then also I have some Rune as well. But yeah, for the main coins, in Ethereum and Bitcoin, just be on watch. Set stop losses. Set your stop losses if you think that it's going to be going down, and you think you'll be able to capture profits, and buy in at a lower level, right? There's no reason to sell out right now. There's no reason to sell out right now. Nothing is pointing to having to sell out at this very moment, right? just be on market watch. And if we start to see things start to drop to these lower levels, capture profits, take your profits. At least what I'm doing, or my plan of attack. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, can't tell you guys what to do, but capture profits here, and then re-enter at these lower levels, and then wait for the spring back up. And that would be following the wick off distribution. If we don't see this wick off distribution by Monday or the Monday following, we might see just this shoot above, and that's when we'll really see confirmation if we can just get through these levels. But we'll see what happens. All right, that's it for today's stream, guys. Have to get going. Have a lot of things to do, and so I hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and continue to help us grow on this channel. And thank you for the 11 subs. It's been 1 week, 11 subs, just getting started, but I appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. Let's make some money. All right, peace.